Good morning, I'm Dr. BLT, and this is Dr. BLT's Rockin Rooster show. On the count of three, everybody say Rockadoodle Doo. 1, 2, 3. Rockadoodle Doo. I'm Dr. BLT. This is a brand new song. I just wrote it a few minutes ago. It's called Bandana. And it's been banned on every radio station, and it's been banned on every colored TV, and it's been banned in every town in this nation, for every generation, and it's been banned. And it's been banned, and here is the reason. Every single time that she opens her mouth, she breaks her heart with the song that she's singing. Ain't no bells ringing, 'cause Anna's been banned. Bandana, bandana, she's been banned in western Montana, and on the California coast in northern Atlanta. Everyone knows Anna's been banned. Well, her words cut so deep, they can even cut you in your sleep. Her music is banned in Alabama, and they call her Bandana. Yeah. Her words, well, they cut so deep, they can even cut you in your sleep. And her music is banned in Alabama, that's why they call her Bandana. That's why they call her Bandana, yeah. Hello, Buster. Welcome to Dr. BLT's Rockin Rooster show. Hello, Jeffrey. Well, her words cut so deep. Good morning there, Buster. They'll even cut you in your sleep. Her music's banned in Alabama. They call her Bandana. Bandana, bandana. Rockadoodle Doo, everybody. That is Bandana. That's my brand new song. I just wrote that a few minutes ago. I'd like to welcome a very special guest to our show today. His name is Iron C. Stutz, also known as Buster, and also known as the hero, the honky-tonk hero who elevates the lowly, just like Johnny Cash did. He elevated the lowly and the downtrodden and the underdogs. We also have Jeffrey Bowen on the show today. Good morning, Jeffrey. Rockadoodle Doo to you. I think we're going to do a cover right now, maybe some Bob Seger. I don't know. I've never played this one before, but I'll give it a try. This is called Against the Wind. Seems like yesterday, yeah, but it was long ago. Janie was lovely, she was the queen of my nights. There in the darkness with the radio playing low. Secrets that we shared, yeah. The mountains that we move, caught like a wildfire out of control, till there was nothing left to burn and nothing left to prove. I remember what she said to me, how she swore that never would end. I remember how she held me so tight. Wish I didn't know now what I didn't know then. Against the wind, we're running against the wind. We were young and strong, we were running against the wind. The years rolled slowly past. I found myself alone, surrounded by strangers I thought were my friends. I found myself further and further from guess I lost my way, yes I did. Both worlds, so many roads, yeah, I was running to live and living to run, never worrying about paying or how much I owe. Running 8 miles a minute, for months at a time, breaking all of the rules that would bend. Begin to find myself searching for shelter again and again. Against the wind, a little something against the wind. I found myself seeking shelter against the wind. Drifters' days are all past me now. I got so much more to think about, yeah. Deadlines and commitments, what to leave and what to leave out. Against the wind, I'm still running against the wind. Well, I'm older now, but still running against the wind. Against the wind. Still running against the wind. Running against the wind. That is a song. I probably need to practice that a little bit more. It's a little rough around the edges. This is a little bit of a country classic, if you will. It's called For the Good Times. Don't look so sad. I know it's over, but life goes on. This world will keep on turning. Just be glad that we had some time to spend together. There's no need to watch the bridges that were burning. Lay your head Make believe you love me one more time. For the good times. Now get along. You'll find another. I'll be here if you should ever need me. Don't say what about forever. There'll be time enough for sadness when you leave me. Everybody, lay your head on my pillow. Hold your warm and tender body close to mine. Hear the whispers of the raindrops falling soft against the window. Make believe you love me one more time. For the good times. Yeah, for the good times. For the good times. Bit of Ray Price for you. Johnny Cash also did that, as well as Chris Christopherson and a number of others. And today you heard it from me, Dr. BLT. It's an original song. It's called With Me. Isn't she beautiful when the sun goes down, the moonlight in her hair? Isn't she something on a summer's day? The boys all stop and stare. I want to take you with me every day and every place I go. I want to take you with me every night to protect me from the cold. And when you're far away, I feel just like a gambler on the run. And when you're close to me, I feel as if our lives have just begun, yeah. I want to take you with me every day and every place I go. I want to take you with me every night to protect me from the cold in the daytime, in the nighttime, the middle of the afternoon, in the daytime, in the nighttime, the middle of the afternoon, in the daytime, in the nighttime, under the velvet moon, in the daytime, in the nighttime. I want to take you with me every day and every place I go, yeah. I want to take you with me every night to protect me from the cold. It's called With Me. That's original. That's original Dr. BLT material. And that's, I think that's the time I played it with the fewest mistakes. On those arpeggios, man, I make a lot of mistakes. You ready to rock and roll? More original Dr. BLT. Get home late, it's Friday night. How can you tell me that you're feeling alright? Kick the dog, you never track. Thank you. Just one thing that you never forget is your heart of life. You know you gotta get a little bit every day. Take a lesson from the children, smell the roses on the way. I said, what you need is some heart unplugged. Dressed up, no place to go. You're tied in knots from your head down to your toes. You've been working all night, are you gonna work all day? Isn't it time for some high play? Get your heart on play. You know you gotta get a little bit every day. Take a lesson from the children, smell the roses on the way. What you need, some heart unplayed. Your body says stop, but your mind says go. You're moving so fast, why don't you take it slow? You'll find some rest. Get some heart unplayed. Thank you. Don't you think that you should? You should get some heart unplayed. You know you gotta get a little bit every day. Take a lesson from the children, smell roses on the way. I said, what you need? I said, now, what you need? I said, now, what you need? Some heart play. Play, I said, heart play. Yes, that is original BLT. That is hard-earned play. Hope everybody's having a happy hump day today. Gonna do another original right now, and it's called Singing is a Man's Way of Crying. Singing is a man's way of crying over something's gone wrong. Tears are the man's form of 2 drops, 'cause everyone knows big boys don't cry. Singing is a man's way of crying, be they tears or laughter or pain. Singing is a man's way of crying, everyone knows big boys don't cry. No, they don't. Saved so many tears over so many years. I've held on to sorrow and pain. I write many songs, though I am not so strong, and my songs fill the rivers like rain. Saved many tears over so many years. I've held on to sorrow and pain. I've written so many songs, though I am not so strong, and my songs fill the river like rain. Singing is a man's way of crying. Everybody today, Rockadoodle Doo. I'm Dr. BLT, and you are on Dr. BLT's Rockin Rooster show. I'm going to wrap it up with this last one. It's called Empty City. It's an original. all the children, 'cause I don't hear them play. The streets are empty, the stores are closed, there's no balloons in the air. I don't see you laughing, and I don't see you all in an empty city, like an old ghost town, with my feet in the air and my head on the ground. Got me feeling restless, inside out and upside down, in an empty city, like an old ghost town. I don't know why, so I just sit and cry. I see no birds in the air, and I see no butterflies, no people on the sidewalk, no clowning around at the fair. I can't see you wave at me, I can't touch your wavy hair, in an empty city, like an old ghost town, with my feet in the air and my head on the ground. Got me feeling restless, inside out and upside down, in an empty city, like an old ghost town. Gotta run right for the woods and sky, gotta find me an airtight alibi to the day she left me, and I found myself here in an empty city. It's empty, so empty, like an old ghost town, in an empty city, like an old ghost town, with my feet in the air and my head on the ground. Got me feeling restless, inside out and upside down, in an empty city, empty, so empty. City, like an old ghost town. Thanks, Jeffrey. Thanks, Buster. Thanks, everybody that joined me this morning. Dr. BLT's Rockin Rooster Show. I am the Rooster, Dr. BLT. Thank you.